Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Is your workshop ready for Halloween? As you can see, I am. Today, I'm showing you how the Titan series handles 4 completely different materials, from soft cotton textile to rigid ceramic tile, natural wood, and elegant black acrylic, proving its incredible versatility. We've got 4 spooky projects, from beginner to advanced. Let's check them out. And for more ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with something everyone can make right away. Let's start with something wearable, super simple to do. This personalized cotton T-shirt takes just minutes to create. And here is the Titan bringing it to life with perfect precision. It makes textile engraving incredibly fast and easy. Look at these crisp details. The key here is using simple 2D vector art. For textiles, clean lines and minimal detail give you the best result with our laser settings. Now, let's move to something with more dimension. This looks incredibly detailed, but the technique is surprisingly accessible. This looks 3D, but it's actually a 2D grayscale engraved on tile. The Titan Precision uses shades of gray to control the engraving depth, creating this amazing shadow effect. This grayscale technique is what creates the 3D effect. By mapping shades to engraving depth, you can create stunning dimensional art on flat surfaces. It's a clever technique that's easily pulled off with the right file. Speaking of precision, our next project takes it to the next level with moving parts. This isn't just a box, it's a mechanical piece with working hinges. This wooden candy box shows the Titan's full versatility. It cuts the 11 interlocking pieces in one single job. And see this, a fully articulated moving hinge built right in. Designing moving parts like this articulated hinge requires precise tolerances. We engineered this 11 piece to snap together perfectly. We provide separate cuts and engraved settings for the wood, so you get a flawless result. From wooden mechanics to something that plays with light, our final project shows the Titan's power on acrylic. Watch how these 11 precision cut pieces snap together perfectly. The Titan Pro's accuracy means everything fits perfectly. For our final project, we're working with light. This lantern is cut from black acrylic. The Titan's power delivers these perfectly clean, polished edges. And when you add a light source, the effect is just stunning. This is the most complex design, but we've made it easy. Multi-material projects like these lanterns require planning each component's role. The acrylic provides structure, while the paper diffuses the light beautifully. Everything you need is right there, including the proven acrylic settings. This is where planning pays off. The acrylic frames create the structure. The paper panel diffuses the light, and when everything comes together, the result is just astounding. So, from a quick t-shirt to an illuminated masterpieces, the Titan can bring your spookiest ideas to life. Each of these projects demonstrates different capabilities of the Titan. We hope they've inspired your own Halloween creations. What will you design first, guys? Ready to start your own laser journey? Visit thunderlaser.com to see the Titan. If you enjoy this, do us a favor and subscribe for more projects every month. Happy Halloween and happy making!